Sarah has discovered peekaboo. And try to pull off Daddy's glasses.
Chelsea's ready too. Ready? You do it.
Boo!
Don't do boo. You're gonna scare her. Ready?
Even Daddy. Sarah thinks it's funny from a distance.
No, Chelsea's not ready.
Chelsea doesn't feel good enough. I think that has
She's
more to
not
do with it.
having a good night.
Chelsea's a little sick.
Okay.